night falls. If you hear a siren, then it's my fault. Jump in my whip, baby, let's ride. We ain't gonna stop at a red light. And I'ma take shots like a Tag 9. It's gonna get live. Here we go, it's about to go down. Let me know, I'ma buy another round. Get low, drop it down to the ground. Oh yeah, wow, shorty make it bounce. Mama see the foot cuffs on my cardiac. Took my breath away like a heart attack. And I'ma spend every dime and my money back. Everybody wanna know.
finds the power and the grip, now finds the back of the S15. Norbert Zamecz, flying with danger as he looks to take down Wiecek. He goes a little bit too hot, loses some ground. Wiecek now starts to pull away once again. Norbert Zamecz.
Through that first corner as Peter Wiecek losing a bit of ground there, straightening in the chase position. Peter Wiecek as they come down. Wiecek having to make some moves. There's some errors from Peter Wiecek as Zamecz now starts to drive away. A big run from Norbert Zamecz here as Peter Wiecek. Is Peter Wiecek going through to the top 16? Kevin, I'm inclined to agree with that. There was some wobbles from Wiecek, but Zamecz making that big error on the first run of the chase.